Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're like me, you love exploring the world but also want to be kind to our planet. Today, I'm diving into some eco-friendly flight booking tips that won't break the bank. First up, let's talk about choosing the right airline. Did you know that some airlines are more eco-conscious than others? Look for airlines that invest in fuel-efficient aircraft or participate in carbon offset programs. Airlines like Delta, United, and Qantas are making strides in this area. A quick Google search can help you find the most sustainable options. Next, let's get into flight routes. Non-stop flights are generally more eco-friendly than connecting flights. Why? Because takeoffs and landings use the most fuel. So even if a non-stop flight seems a bit pricier, it could be worth it for the planet and for a more relaxed journey. Plus, you can sometimes find great deals if you book early. Another tip: fly economy. I know it's not as glamorous as business or first class, but hear me out. Economy seats mean more passengers per flight, which lowers the carbon footprint per person. So next time you're booking, think about the environment and your wallet. Now let's talk about booking times. You've probably heard that Tuesdays and Wednesdays are the best days to book flights, right? Well, it's true. Airlines often release discounted seats midweek, so you can snag a deal and be eco-friendly. And speaking of deals, use flight comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights. These tools can help you find the best routes and airlines with eco-friendly options. Plus, they let you set up alerts for price drops. It's a win-win. But what about carbon offsets? Some airlines offer the option to offset your carbon emissions when you book a flight. For a small fee, you can contribute to projects that reduce carbon footprints, like reforestation or renewable energy initiatives. It's an easy way to make your travel greener. Lastly, consider packing light. The lighter the plane, the less fuel it burns. So, ditch the extra pair of shoes and that bulky jacket you probably won't wear. Pack smart, save money on baggage fees, and help the planet. So there you have it, folks. Booking eco-friendly flights and saving money is totally doable. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Happy travels, and let's keep those skies blue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips. See you in the next video.